Hi folks, Steve Harding here from Symphonic Source. In this video I'm going to show you how to access and manage DupeCatcher alerts and tasks. If you're familiar with DupeCatcher's matching actions, the setting on the filter where you get to tell DupeCatcher what to do when it identifies a duplicate, you know that the action we call report duplicate actually allows the duplicate record into the Salesforce org rather than block it. But it also triggers an alert informing you that a duplicate has been created and enabling you to manage the duplicate by either allowing it, deleting it, or merging it. This alerting mechanism is used for web to lead and can also be used for manual inserts. Alerts are manually accessed via the DupeCatcher Duplicate Alerts tab. Each alert is listed as a hot link that you can use to drill into the details of the alert, and the details page shows you the filter that triggered the alert, and it lists the duplicate records that DupeCatcher has identified. And from this page you can delete the alert if the duplicates are to be allowed, or you can drill into the individual records and delete them if necessary, or you can use the Merge Convert button to combine the records into a single entry. And you can see other videos for the specifics on Merge and Convert on our YouTube channel. Alerts do not send an email notification. They are only viewed by manually visiting the DupeCatcher Alerts tab. However, we have leveraged some of the built-in Salesforce functions to give you a more real-time notification of alerts. Otherwise, without regularly visiting the Alerts tab, alerts could be adding up, which means more and more duplicate records are residing in your org and for longer periods of time. When DupeCatcher triggers an alert, you can set the app to also create a task for the user or the admin, and with the creation of a task, you can generate a pop-up audible notice of the alert. So rather than having to visit the Alerts tab on some scheduled basis, you can actually have Salesforce and DupeCatcher let you know an alert has been created. Remember, an alert means that DupeCatcher has identified a duplicate. To enable these notification features, you need to do two things. First, on the filter itself, you will need to tell it to also create a task when it creates an alert. And just to remind you, alerts are only triggered when your filter matching action is set to report duplicate or when you have DupeCatcher web to lead filtering set up. And second, you need to enable notifications for tasks. Simply go to the DupeCatcher Application Settings tab, select the checkbox labeled Set Immediate Reminder for Tasks, and click Save. And you're done. So let's test it out. You saw on the previous screen that my filter is set to report duplicate and that I've also set it to create a task. So I'm going to create a new lead record that I know will match on this filter. As you can see, the lead was created, and we'll get a pop-up notification in a matter of seconds. And from this pop-up notification, you'll see there's a hot link that goes right into the alert itself, where you can actually manage the duplicates. Next, I want to show you the task, and as you can see, the task also has a hot link that allows you to drill right into the alert. And finally, I'll show you the alerts tab itself, where all of your alerts reside. All of these are just different ways to navigate to the same page. It's as simple as that. For more tutorial videos, see our YouTube channel, and for more information, see our website. You can follow us on Twitter and Facebook for the latest updates. And lastly, be sure to tell us what you think of DupeCatcher and what your data management and Salesforce pains and challenges are. Thanks!